แล้วก็ผมอยู่ตรงนี้กับคุณโทมัสนะครับไบโอนะครับเขาก็เป็นคนนำผมมาที่ Olivier Mory นะครับ Thank you very much for bringing me here.
Let's go.
So exciting for
Yes.
me. Please.
A lot of beauties.
Thank you.
Hello.
This is Olivier Mory. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Sure. Please.
Is it?
Thank you. และตรงนี้ครับคืออัลเทอร์เรียของโอลิเวียโมรีคนที่ผมบอกว่าเขาสร้างชุดกลไกที่พิเศษผมไปโรงงานนาฬิกามาเยอะมากแล้วนะครับแต่ไม่เคยเจอโรงงานนาฬิกาไหนที่ผลิตแต่ตูบิยองนี่เป็นครั้งแรกของผมเลยผมเชื่อว่าหลายคนสนใจด้วยเพราะว่าตูบิยองคือ movement อันดับหนึ่งของโลกแห่งนาฬิกานะครับแล้วเรามาดูกันว่าที่เนี่ยเขาผลิตอะไรบ้างเขาสร้างงานได้ยังไงบ้างเดี๋ยวโอลิเวียโมรีเรารออยู่ข้างในเดี๋ยวเราไปเดินกันนะเพราะว่าตรงนี้เป็นที่สร้างกลไกตูบิยองนะครับสำหรับผมแล้วกลไกตูบิยองเนี่ยเป็นสิ่งที่พิเศษที่สุดเลยเป็นความฝันผมนะฮะที่จะมีนาฬิกาเป็นกลไกระดับสูงสุดของโลกผมอยู่ตรงนี้กับคนนี้นะครับผมสงสัยมานานแล้วว่าคนนี้เขาคือใครแล้วเขาทำงานอะไรบ้างที่สำคัญที่สุดเลยตูบิยองแบบนี้แล้วมาทำโรงงานที่ผลิตแต่ตูบิยองอย่างเดียวเนี่ยมันไม่ง่ายนะครับที่ไม่ง่ายมากกว่านั้นคือราคาด้วย sorry just speaking a little bit in Thai.
No problem.
I hope you understand, but no.
No, absolutely not.
Right. This is not exactly my question. It's the question from another because they quite, of course, in the market you can see the tourbillon. When we say about the price wise, normally it's high, very high. How come you make it this accessible price for the tourbillon movement?
By rethinking the whole circle, for me the inferno circle is if you only produce 10 tourbillon watches a year, then you cannot focus your whole team of R&D on making it affordable or making efficient. Because it's only 10 pieces. Mm-hmm. So you're going to work these 10 pieces by hand, adjusting everything, and it's fine. Mm-hmm. Because you have time, you only have to deliver one each month. Mm-hmm. And so it costs a lot. Mm-hmm. But then, if in this circle you change one essential thing is, we need to produce 50 a week, 50 pieces each week.
Wow.
Then you cannot afford to spend 1 hour on adjusting a hole. Mm-hmm. You have to rethink the product itself about being efficient, being reliable, and when I assemble things, it works perfectly fine the first time I assemble the components. And this is the heaven circle. Uh-huh. If you increase the quantity, then you increase the reliability because you have no choice. Mm-hmm. Reliability is not a choice if you make a lot of components. If it's not reliable, then you die.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And that's the secret of all mass production products. If you think about a supercar manufacturer is not going to produce tires or brakes.
Yes.
He's just going to order the best brakes on the market. It's going to be to bring Brembo, I think,
from
or
the supplier.
Michelin tires.
Yeah.
He's going to take the best suppliers for the brakes and use them because they are reliable. They are produced millions of times each year with 0.00% failures. And that's what we do. We designed the tourbillon to be efficient. It has to be simple to work. It has to be shock proof. It has to be magnetic proof. It has to be life proof for an everyday use. And because of that, we enter in the heaven circle, not in the inferno circle.
Okay.
We constantly try to increase the performance and the reliability because we aim to produce a lot. And when you are in this heaven circle, even if you produce only 10 pieces a year, it's not a problem because they were meant for mass production.
Wow, okay.
And that's what we do with some of our suppliers and some of our customers too. Some customers comes here with a request of 1,000 movements.
Yeah.
and we are able to do it. And some people are asking a unique piece, and we are able to do it also. And it has to be, and it will have the same reliability in the unique piece than in the mass production.
I see. This is your dream to do this kind of thing, like.
My dream is more, is not that sharp. I was not dreaming about doing a movement manufacturer when I was young, but I was dreaming of nice mechanics, of a little bit magic and poetry, mechanical poetry.
Okay.
And I saw that it's impossible for me to buy one of this product. So if I wanted to wear a tourbillon, I have to build one.
Okay.
So that's my first goal.
So
let's build a tourbillon for people like me who enjoy the mechanical poetry of that, and who we don't care about the fancy and the name. We want a reliable product.
Okay.
That's all. I want to have a tourbillon, and I don't want to wear it for 2 or 3 years, and after 3 years I have to spend a lot of money for service it, for example.
Yeah.
I don't want that if one day it fell on the floor, it's broken forever.
Yeah.
I want to have something that works whatever I make.
Right. That's so nice.
With that, we enter in the heaven circle.
I see. So it's now about to see the manufacturer do what they are doing. เดี๋ยวไปดูกันฮะว่าข้างในเนี่ยเขาทำอะไรกันบ้างนะฮะงานถึงออกมาเป็นแบบนี้นะครับพอดีตอนนี้เรามาถึงช่วงเวลาเที่ยงพอดีเลยฮะทุกคนเขาหยุดงานกันหมดเราคงได้ดูข้างในกันบางส่วนนะครับเดี๋ยวไปดูกันครับ Thank you.
Quality control, it's where the components come. First we count them just to ensure we have the right quantity, and then we can control with a different machine we have. The small CNC here is able to control the profile of the click. So here we can control that the parts we receive are aligning with the drawing. So optical control, we also have force control, for example, for the strength of the jewels in the main plates, and then visual control for the decoration and the color, or mechanical control by measuring the thickness and that kind of things.
I see.
When the parts are validated, we store them in the trailers for our customers, because sometimes we have standard components, and as we do a lot of custom jobs, a lot of our customers ask for specific bridges, specific ratchet wheels with different shapes and different openings. So then we sort by customer, and we can prepare the kits for the assembly line and then assemble by the batches of 20, 50, 1,000, depends the order.
Okay.
Prototyping area.
Wow.
So this is an example of small projects. We design the bridge, we do the drawings here, and for the first prototypes of the bridge, we do with the jig borer. This is a Hauser M1.
Wow.
It's a 90 years old machine.
Wow.
With a very modern spindle on it.
This part, right?
Yeah. It's everything here is hand operated.
Oh, okay.
We can adjust the depth here. X-axis, Y-axis, then wearing protection glasses, and we produce the tiny parts, like this bridge, for example. It's produced here. Just cut it away. Then we have these small retaining parts that we are going to file at the end and then decorate.
I see.
So Gabriel here is working on another jig borer, a little bigger. That's the same machine that you can find in the George Daniels workshop. And this one is the same that you can find at Philippe Dufour workshop.
Wow. Very vintage.
These machines are capable of the best.
Wow.
Then we have a small lathe here. This one is also able to cut teeth. We can do our wheels for prototyping purpose.
Yeah.
And then we have a small CNC machine there which is carving, laser engraving, and on which we can do, for example, dials prototype like this one.
Oh, okay.
This is in brass. So here we can make Geneva stripes, sunburst, or guilloche with this cutting tool here. So it's also something we can do for prototype. We're not decorating the big production bridges.
This is controlled by hand.
Here you can rotate this.
Yeah.
You have here to move the head, and there is a spindle here, and the fixed tool there.
เครื่องแบบนี้เนี่ยก็ยังต้องใช้มืออยู่ดี ถึงแม้จะเป็นเครื่องจักรที่ต้องบินมอเตอร์ไรส์แต่ว่าสุดท้ายแล้วก็ต้องคอนโทรลโดยช่างผู้มีประสบการณ์ในการทำงานนะครับ
And here for gold plating, we do the mixture ourselves, just to ensure that the prototypes are fancy and nice to see. And then we have different workbenches. This one is especially for decoration, so it's a little bit dirty, where we do hand polishing and that kind of things. And the other ones are dedicated to very specific operation.
Wow.
Here it's for perlage, for example, the bezel and the case back, etc., etc.
see.
Each workbench has a specific use.
Wow.
So here Lillian is just controlling the thickness, and we are going to assemble the watches with. Here is the main plate of the
นี่นะ
4.1.
With the beveling I can see.
Exactly.
Yeah, here you can see the work of the crest.
Yeah.
So main plate and barrel bridge. This is another type of skeleton movements.
Yeah.
You see here something very interesting. You can see here, it's very small. It says the name of the tourbillon, the Veblen dilemma.
Oh,
I'll tell you more about this later.
This is written something.
Yes, it's engraved, very small. Veblen, Thorstein Veblen was an Austrian economist that would create what is called the Veblen effect or the snob effect.
Oh, okay.
In the luxury goods, or usually if the price of something increased, the demand would decrease because you don't want to pay more.
Oh, okay.
But in luxury goods, if the price increase, the demand increase because people think if it's much more expensive, it's much more quality. Therefore, we call it the Veblen dilemma because, as you know, the price is the best in the market in the world. So people would directly think because it's cheaper, it's of less quality, and therefore the dilemma. Because if it's cheaper, by us, it doesn't mean it's less quality.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same quality as the big brand, and you have seen it. So therefore, the name of the tourbillon to answer preventively to the people who would say, yeah, but it's less quality. No, that's the dilemma.
I see. Good. This one.